So on this side of our garden, last year we planted some wine grapes. These are Frontenac wine grapes. And we were originally going to pull them out and do something else here because last year they didn't do a whole lot. Granted, it was their first year, but we were just kind of thinking, well, I don't know, we'll see, right? So then this year, even after some early frost that killed off some of the beginning leaves, it has really come back. At least 3 out of the 6 plants that we put in have just taken over, and they've got tons of bunches of grapes on them all over the place. But because they were never pruned or taken care of, they've become this big mess. I've got, vines going all over the place here. There's weeds all down through here. This section up here isn't quite as bad with the weeds because last year I did clean it out and mulch it, but kind of stopped about halfway because I think I ran out of mulch actually. So now, we're way past the pruning season. To prune grapes, you should be pruning them really probably around February, March. So what I'm going to try to do is, first I want to, this guy's in my way. What I'd like to do is put some wire along here to give them something more to be supported by. I have a whole bunch of old tomato cages that I don't use anymore because of the cattle panel trellis that we use now. And so the tomato cages are just sitting in random spots around the back of the yard, and right now are serving no purpose whatsoever. So I was thinking I could unhook them, flatten them out, and then staple them up along the fence, and then weave some of these long vines through here so that at least through this year we can keep most of it off the ground. I can clean out the weeds out of here, and then next year we can come back and do a proper pruning. But this is the dilemma that I'm facing because they are such a mess and so entwined all over the place that I think it's going to take a lot of doing. It's going to be quite the project, I guess. So today, since it's cloudy, hasn't rained yet today. We got some really heavy rains last night, but really the temperature is not too bad out here today. And since it's overcast, and thought this might be a good time to come out here and see what we can do. So why don't you come along on this little project journey with me and see if we can't figure this out. And granted, you're going to be watching this video after the fact, but if you have other suggestions on a better way that maybe I could do this, or have suggestions about pruning grapes past the normal pruning season, please let me know, because any information, since I'm new to the whole wine grape situation, any of the suggestions would be helpful. So let's see what happens. and I am beat. So the grape area is finally cleaned up. It did take a couple of days because we had a bunch of chickens losing their mind. No, we had a bunch of big rainstorms come through and kind of put a delay on finishing up. But I got it cleaned out, and I kind of got all these vines weaved through here. This side's much more sparse, whereas this side is really packed in, and hopefully there's enough airflow to, you know, keep it nice, or keep it from having any issues, I guess. So yeah, another project in the books. And we got a lot of nice bunches of grapes growing in here, and we're kind of excited to see what's going to happen if we can keep them protected from the birds. We're looking at maybe making some little net pouches to put around the bunches, and hopefully we can get a decent harvest maybe and try making some wine later on this season. So anyway, thanks for stopping by and checking out the project. Hope everything's gone well. Hope everything's gone well in your neck of the woods with all your projects, gardens, and homesteads. And please subscribe to our channel. We can always use some more subscribers. And hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Namaste.